Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is going to be a very quick video. Family Dollar, I noticed in the app early this afternoon that a lot of their cleaning products, a lot of the coupon bread and butter, a lot of the stuff that a lot of us chase after is showing for a penny in the app, which is really bizarre. Now, I'm going to let you guys know from personal experience in the past. I found a whole bunch of Dove lotions that were a penny, and I brought them up to the cash. They were ringing up for a penny, and then the cashier started putting them back to full price. I thought I would just slide them in. I was buying some other stuff, but he caught that and he just made it all full price. Family Dollar has a policy that they don't sell penny items. However, if you are a smooth talking couponer, if you can bring your husband who can flirt with any cashier, if you can bring whomever, or if you have it in you to talk to people and say, hey, can you sell this to me for $1? They might actually do it. But they also have, if they're all about the rules and, they're just like their favorite word is no, you might be completely out of luck. But some of this stuff like Dawn dish soap, Clorox, that Cascade liquid gel, like, I don't even have words for this. If it was the Dollar General, it would be a completely different story. So you're going to have to bring your best negotiation skills to the table. And if you can smooth talk the manager or the cashier and say, hey, listen, can you sell this to me for $1, or like whatever you think a reasonable price is? I've even seen people get stuff for 50 cents. They might do it, they might not. But I've seen them sometimes do that for customers, especially if you're going to buy like all of it. You can even use that as a negotiation tactic. Now, I know a lot of you absolutely can't, you would never like ever ask for, could you modify it for $1? Or you just, it's not your thing, but maybe somebody, who can help you with this. And it's definitely worth going into your store, looking in the app and the zip in your area. And a lot of this stuff that I'm showing you isn't ringing up for a penny. Like that Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. I think everybody would want that. I mean, we all want it for a penny, but even if you can get it for 50 cents or $1, that might be a thing. But you really have to work on your negotiation skills. And I can't stress that enough. And guys, I just searched the app for like, I don't know, maybe 2-3 minutes, and it seems like there's so much stuff popping at a penny. I don't know why they do this, because honestly it's somewhat false advertising that it's there, and then when you scan it at the register it's a penny, and then they're like, oh, sorry, we can't do that. I don't like that. I think they should honor at least one. But if you're not a very confrontational person, this could be the most challenging thing. So I really recommend, I would go and try. There's no harm in trying, and ask for the manager and say, hey, listen, I know I found this penny item, but is there any chance that, I could get it for 50 cents or $1, depending what it is, and maybe they'll see it your way, or maybe they'll say hard and fast no. But I know that their policy is to not sell penny items. Again, not the Dollar General, but it's depending who's in front of you. I've seen on social media many girls get hauls for like $1 or something like that. But of course, they went in there negotiating. You got to smile. You got to be really friendly and say, hey, listen, I found this and could I possibly get it? And depending like what it is, they might allow it. They might not. Like that fake potted flower thing, they might say yes to that, but not the Clorox. So if you guys try this, remember, you're not at the Dollar General, but let me know how you do. Please share in the comments how you do. I am just like floored with what I saw. And definitely make sure your zip is in there. Look up some of these items. Is it worth your time to go out to the Family Dollar? And why is there so many penny items too? For all the Family Dollar shoppers, let us know in the comments down below. I just go in there for the odd freebie now and then. But this is crazy. I know one store and one cashier particularly, he'd take me out back and he wouldn't be very happy. He wouldn't sell a single thing, but he would probably confiscate everything. And then another store, I think the manager would probably sell them to me for $1. So I'm going to run out. I'll let you guys know how I do. And then please let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try. I mean, there's no harm in trying. If you have a little bit of time, I would make it happen. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.